My new Dyson was just way pretty to not unbox. Let's go. Good day, you beautiful people. Welcome to LAZADA's Tech, where we do tech in your life in style. And yes, folks, as you may have noticed, I did have a little red hair makeover. That's perfect because what we're unboxing is something in beautiful red. This is a Dyson Supersonic gift edition. It's in a special edition red. And pro tip, stay till the end of this video to find out how you yourself can win your very own Dyson Supersonic gift edition. So without further ado, let's unbox. Friends, I am so excited. Now, this is already open because, like I said, I had not planned on shooting an unboxing, but when I took a peek, I was like, it looks so good, it deserves its own video. So here we are. Of course, up front, it shows us what's inside the box. This is the Dyson Supersonic gift edition, hairdryer in red and nickel with Dyson designed red presentation case. On the side, it gives us that back view of the hairdryer. At the bottom, all the different attachments it has. So this is for curly hair. This gentle air attachment, it's for more sensitive hair, and then you have a smoothing nozzle and styling concentrator. Now on the back, it gives us a preview of the Dyson tech in this particular device. This is very telling. Dyson has always claimed that they are a tech company first. Here we go, folks. Moment of truth. Okay, wait, it's on the wrong side. I guess this is the top. Take two. Look at that. We have here a box. It's also in a beautiful red. I'm assuming this is where the attachments are. And the beautiful Dyson case. I have to say, I really love these hairdryer carriers. Honestly, so cute and sleek, and it just makes storing and even packing these Dyson devices easier. This case looks slimmer and more compact than the case that I have for the Dyson Airwrap. It has the same detail though, stitching and that nice leather-like material. Dyson branding up top. Let's open this up. Ooh. First off, yes, that is a velvet interior. That ensures that your baby is safe. So this case does have this thing where you put the hairdryer on so that it comfortably sits the way it does when we opened it. This hairdryer is beautiful, man. Let's take out the plastic. Would you look at that? Look at this color. That's a very nice matte red. It's deep and bright and bold and unafraid, just like how we ladies should be. It is the same Dyson Supersonic, except in this wonderful looking paint job. Again, in true Dyson Supersonic tried and tested fashion, this is pretty light. And what's so great when you use this thing is that it is very well balanced. So when you hold it to your head, it's not so taxing, it's not so hard to maneuver. We also have here, is one of the attachments. This would be the styling concentrator. We also have, oh, that's a cute little ring. So this is the Dyson heat pad. You basically put it on the table when you're using this, and then it's so that you don't put the dryer on other things, other surfaces while it's hot. Finally, what is this last thing in here? We have our manuals. I'm gonna check this out and read it later. On to the other attachments. Ooh, that's the smoothing nozzle. Gentle air attachment. So I'm pretty curious about this because this claims to be nicer on fine hair, and I need gentleness on my really colored hair. Finally, for the curly haired girls, we have the diffuser. Right, that is it. Another great thing about Dyson hair dryers is that this just snaps on magnetically. Really easy. really convenient. And I mean, it doesn't snap off like so easily that you worry when you're using it. Like, that's pretty secure. This is such a pretty thing. I need to try it. So yeah, a Montage. You didn't think I'd end this video without actually trying it with you. So I'm gonna try the hair dryer on my own hair, freshly colored hair. As you can see, it's still a little damp, and this is, well, my hair out of the shower. Let's do this. I'm gonna try to straighten my hair, which is something that I never do with a blow dryer because it's so hard for me since I have so much hair and my arms just get so tired. I'm gonna try this head first to sort of dry the bottom part of my hair because it's a little damp. I don't want to style it this damp. We have 3 heat levels here. We have 3 intensity levels here. On and off, cold shot. We have the styling concentrator and the smoothing nozzle. So I'm thinking smoothing first before I style it. I mean, I'm gonna straighten it and just like sort of make it go inward. These different attachments are actually designed for different hair types, but I wanted to try them all. Now that I think about it, the smoothing tool might have been the perfect one for styling. And I kept on going back to the gentle air attachment because they said that it styles your hair or dries your hair with less heat. And as you can see, my hair is very colored. I am very careful with the amount of heat I put into it, which is another thing I love about the Supersonic because this hair dryer measures temperature 40 times per second to make sure that it doesn't fry your hair. You know, when I said my hair can get floofy, this is what I mean. I have a lot of hair, but this thing, like any Dyson Supersonic, very ergonomic. And you know how they say that this thing is very well balanced? Well, it is. It doesn't really strain you holding this up. And yes, all that maneuverability despite having a cord. Now, this thing is powerful. So powerful that all the stuff off my desk is flying off because of the blow dryer. I mean, I think we can see a difference between the two sides. Also, this thing never got too hot to touch, so that's a great thing because I am clumsy. Add a little hair oil from Davines where I got my hair color. And that is a beautiful, sleek hair look. And yes, folks, the final result is the hair that I've been sporting in this video. Silky smooth, not usually my style, but I like it. And that was it for our unboxing of the Dyson Supersonic Gift Edition in red. Honestly, I love this thing. It's so pretty and really matches. This matching is by no accident. I colored my hair red for the Dyson Supersonic. Dyson and Cosmo Philippines is giving one of these beautiful hair dryers away to remind us that despite everything that's happening in the world, we all need a little self-care. I'll link everything down below so you guys can check that out. Good luck. I personally enjoyed this makeover. This is the reminder that you've been waiting for to do some self-care. That's it for today's video. Let me know what you think about the Dyson Supersonic and Special Edition Red. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's LAZADA_ on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Bye!